What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Honda CB500 4 Café Racer build. See, I have started collecting parts for this build, and these are the tires that I'm going with. They're super classy looking. They're Shinko E270, super classic looking tires. I love these, and I just couldn't put new looking tires on a bike like this, so that's why I picked up these. And then behind me, I have got a lot of parts that are going on the bike. Some of them I already had in the shop actually. And if you look at this headlight and these beefy, chunky tires, gives you a little bit of an insight on what my plans are for this bike. I am doing a super badass looking brat style build for this bike. So we're gonna start kind of disassembling this bike, and we're getting down to business. Listen guys, I am not planning on chopping this bike up. A lot of people were worried about that. I'm gonna keep it classy and keeping it kind of a stock classic look because the CB500 4 is already a beautiful looking bike. I'm not planning on messing that up. I wanna keep it slightly original looking, but still it's gonna look so much better. I'm cleaning up the lines, making it more sleek. Also doing a bit of weight reduction, and I'm just basically getting the bike working mechanically sound again, and all the electronics are working. I've applied for a Vermont registration for this bike. It is all happening, guys. I'm gonna get a title for it, get it legal. So yeah, let's start out by pulling off gas tank seat and get the carburetors off. This is the last time that you guys will see this bike in this form. After today, it is not gonna look like this anymore. Well, that's why the bike has two keys. Only one of them works for the seat latch, and the other one only works for the ignition. So that's great. Next up, carburetors. Definitely easier the fourth time. Okay, that's everything that I have done already. Now we're heading into uncharted territory. Yeah, let's start ripping stuff off of this thing. Whoops. To be honest, I really don't mind this rear bar, but I'm not gonna be using the stock turn signals. And I'm trying to slim down the bike, take some weight off, so it's gotta go. That was easy. And next up, this thing's got to go. Yeah, that thing alone took off like 10 pounds. Okay, now time to take these turn signals off. Oh, this one's actually plugged in. Not anymore. And next up is Headlight Bucket. Woo! There it is. Good headlight bucket. No cracks. It's gonna be up on my eBay if any of you guys need one. And now the gauges. I'm gonna go for a single unit, I think, or maybe two small units, but not these huge stock ones, although they are in pretty good condition. But they'll be good for eBay. Dang, somebody robbed the hardware store for that one. Oh, there's the tachometer. And then these cups coming off too. Well, that one actually has the grommets. And it also has a spider's house. I think they left. And there's the speedometer. It'll be nice to go from 30,000 back to like 0 miles. I think I'll pull off the front fender next. So this is the stock front fender, but it looks like someone definitely chopped it. Used to have like weird big brackets on the front. Someone just cut all that ugliness off. Okay, next up, these handlebars have got to go. They're way too tall. I'm gonna try to use these stock handlebar controls because I do like them. Oh, had integrated wires through the handlebars. I didn't know that. Well, there's that. Before I take the wheels and stuff off, I wanted to move the bike out into my garage. So I have my shop to actually work on the wheels and individual components. Because once I take the wheels off this thing, it's really not moving. There we go. It's time to get the rear wheel, well, both the wheels off, starting with the rear wheel. Gotta find the master link for the chain. There it is. Ow. Pinch me fingy. Ah, that really hurt actually. There it is. There we go. Nice. Now that the chain's off, all you gotta do is loosen up the axle. The exhaust is kind of in the way, but I think we can still get it. There's the cotter pin. Got that with me handy. That wasn't tight enough. Now is when we find out if someone greased this axle before they put it back in or not. Yeah, they did. Ooh, got it. Okay, there's the brake drum. And there's the rear wheel. Man, this thing is way heavier than I thought it would be. Being a spoke wheel, I thought it would be lighter, but it's got to weigh like 50 pounds at least. Onto the front wheel. Put something under the engine to hold it up though first. There we go. I don't know what's gonna happen when I take the wheel out. The whole bike might start tipping over or something. There's the front wheel. Definitely lighter than the back wheel, just by a little bit though. Don't really want to leave that speedometer drive cable in there. Of course that screws around it out. Trust the old easy out to do the trick. Come on now. Get out my fucking drill. No. Ah. There it is. There's the speedometer drive cable. Okay, next I'm gonna remove the front end because I gotta take off these fork ears. They're damaged. And I'm gonna put new fork seals in and then put those boots on there. So this guy's definitely gotta come off. Dang. That was loose as heck. There's that. And once I pull this top nut off, it's coming out. Along with all those tiny little ball bearings. I didn't drop any ball bearings. They're all kind of stuck on with the grease. So that's good. Huh, just gonna stay like that. First things first, I gotta collect all these ball bearings before that starts happening. I'm gonna get some new rear shocks for this bike because as you can see, these springs are rusted and I'm sure the shocks have lost all their oil by now. This thing will ride a lot better with some new shocks. So let's go ahead and pull these off. One. There's two. And then this plastic inner fender is cracked in a lot of places. There too. So I'm gonna just pull this guy out and put a new one in. There's that. This thing's trashed. How the heck do we get these things off? I think I have to actually pull the fork tubes out of the triple tree to get these things off. Well, time to pull the brake line off. Should have done that sooner. There we go. There's the brake line. Only a little bit of fluid came out. There's the left fork tube, looking pretty rusty. It doesn't matter if it's rusty up here as much, as long as the chrome's good down here, which it is. Now I think, yep, that just comes right off. It's got a big old hole in it. Wonder how that happened. And there's the other side. I'm gonna pull all the front brake components off of the triple tree and forks. Okay, got it all separated. Front brake components. Gonna clean, flush all this out, put new pads in there. That'll be about it. And then the front forks. Definitely a good bit of work here. As I was filming this disassembly, some new parts came in. You guys should probably guess what's in here. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Those look nice. These are the handlebars, obviously. Nice, sleek, satin black look with gloss on the ends. Nice finish in the middle. Slight bend, pretty straight. These are gonna look awesome. There's the rubber mount for the gas tank. Let's make sure it fits. Yep, goes just like that. Yep, we have the fork boots made by K&S Technology. These are not universal, they're specifically made for this bike. The new seals, there they are. Brand new fork seals. So that's going to be a whole video on its own. Looks like This bike's got an oil leak. Looks like either oil pan gasket. Yeah, I see a lot of crap around the oil pan. Probably needs a new oil pan gasket. Well, yeah, I mean, I figured there would be some oil leaks, but definitely gonna need to fix that. Either way, I think this is a great start to the Café Racer build. Bike's pretty much stripped down. In the next video, I'm going to rebuild the carburetors with that rebuild kit I got, because cleaning them just isn't enough. Needs new seals and jets and everything brand new. And then also probably gonna check the compression of this engine. It does have like 30,000 plus miles on it, so I'm hoping the compression is good. If not, gonna have to rebuild the engine. That's gonna take a lot of time and money. So stay tuned for the next video tomorrow to see what the compression results are. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this exhaust or not. I kind of like it, I don't mind it, but it is a little bit long. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should do with the exhaust of this bike. It's coming along, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you want to stay in the loop, make sure you subscribe down below, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload the next video in this build, because it's going to get super exciting, and I'm hoping to do 2 videos every week and get this bike done very soon. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.